Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight. Isn't this place incredible? Since we have such an important vehicle to reveal, we wanted a venue with a big impact. And this theater here at Cosm truly fits the bill. But rest assured, you won't see any giant 30-foot tall versions of me. Well, that was the only time, I promise. As you know, we've been hard at work on our multi-pathway approach to bring customers the most complete portfolio in the industry. Case in point, over the past 4 years, we've rolled out a completely refreshed body-on-frame truck lineup and brought the Land Cruiser back to the US. We've revamped our cars with a new Camry and Prius, and we've even added all new products like the Grand Highlander and GR Corolla. We've also continued to expand our electrified vehicle options, and with our recent announcements, we'll soon offer 21 electrified Toyota models, which is more than any other automaker. And 11 of them are only available in hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or battery electric vehicle. Our goal is simple. Put our customers first and give them plenty of choices that meet and exceed their needs. Which brings me to the all-new model that puts the idea of choice front and center. Introducing the 2026 RAV4. It's an all-new take on the model that has captured hearts and awards from around the world. When it first launched in the US nearly 30 years ago, demand for sport utility vehicles was growing, but many customers didn't have a need for a full-blown off-roader. So we developed the RAV4 as a mass-market compact SUV. The car-based platform provides easy handling, while the SUV packaging gives it great utility. Since then, over 6.4 million RAV4s have been sold in the US, and they have become part of customers' everyday life adventures, earning the title of best-selling SUV in America for 8 years running. Tonight, we launch an all-new 6th generation RAV4 here in the US and also in Japan and Europe. It will be 100% electrified and have 3 distinct personalities that we describe as core, rugged, and sport. The core models have a modern feel featuring Toyota's hammerhead front-end design with thin daytime running lights, a color-matched grille, and broad fenders for a strong look that's ready for a road trip or a night on the town. For those who are looking for a more rugged appearance, there's the Woodland model, which features a split grille, raised roof rails, and all-terrain tires. It truly captures the spirit of the great outdoors. Finally, we have sport designs. The SE and XSE grades have exterior accents, gloss black wheels, and available two-tone paint. This sets them apart from their core grade counterparts. The XSE grade also includes upgraded seat materials and an available premium audio system. And for drivers looking for something edgier, we're offering for the first time ever a GR Sport grade. It was developed in partnership with Toyota Gazoo Racing and is exclusively available with a plug-in hybrid powertrain that carries forward Akio Toyota's vision of building exciting vehicles. It has a unique GR Sport front end with functional aero, a GR-tuned suspension with lowered ride height, and interior styling to match its performance-inspired spirit. Across the 3 grades, there will be 10 available colors. 4 that are new to RAV4, like Urban Rock, which is a brand new color to Toyota, exclusive to the Woodland grade. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the all-new RAV will be 100% electrified with a choice of either a hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrain. It's another example of our commitment to reducing carbon emissions as much as possible, as quickly as possible. And it's what our customers are asking for. In fact, last year, over half of RAV4 sales were electrified. So we're giving customers more of what they love. The new 5th generation hybrid system bumps total horsepower to 236 while still retaining excellent efficiency. The RAV4 plug-in hybrid will once again offer the highest level of performance with a total of 320 horsepower, making it really fun to drive. To top it off, it will deliver up to 50 miles of all-electric range, making it incredibly versatile. Great drivetrains are also part of the package. Limited, XSE, Woodland, and GR Sport will have standard all-wheel drive. Other grades have a choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. All RAV4s get upgrades that make it a sanctuary for passengers. We've reduced road noise with high dampening adhesive and improved handling with frame and suspension reinforcements. On the inside, it has a clean, intuitive layout with a large touchscreen and new digital gauge cluster, while the dash and console get colorful accents, convenient storage, and ample connectivity. RAV4 also launches several new technologies, including the next generation of our multimedia system. We took feedback from our dealers and from our customers and improved the user experience. The voice assistant is faster and more responsive. The home screen can be customized, and we have our first application of 5G connectivity. It will also get a new version of the popular Toyota Safety Sense with enhanced capabilities for systems like pre-collision detection and lane assist. We are absolutely thrilled with this new RAV4. It celebrates the style and utility that only a RAV4 can offer. And of course, all the quality customers have come to expect from Toyota. The best news of all is it will be here before you know it. It's expected at Toyota dealerships later this year, but you can come and check it out right now. Please join me in the lower lobby and take a closer look. Thank you, everyone, and have a great night.
Für mehr solcher Videos einfach abonnieren.